How to price a crack sealing job. First, we think about surface preparation. Second, we think about the amount of material you're going to use. And third, we think about labor. So surface preparation, for example, you can have a crack that's just completely filled with dirt and debris, and not just that one crack, but thousands of feet of it, right? So think about the amount of time that you would end up spending cleaning out all that dirt, debris, and vegetation. Then sweeping it up in piles after you've blown it into the piles with the gas-powered blower, then loading that into buckets on your truck or into garbage cans on your truck and taking that away. That's a lot of time. So think about the amount of time involved with that surface preparation. Next is the amount of material you're going to use. If you're on a parking lot that, let's say, is 20 years old, those cracks can be a ½ inch wide as its average width all throughout that parking lot, and they can be really, really deep too. Sometimes you'll have bottomless cracks. Let's say there was an old tree stump that happened to rot over in a certain area. You end up with a hollow spot. Crack sealer ends up spilling deep down into that foundation. You could use a whole 30-pound block just in 1 foot section. You want to save on materials, right? So what we do is we make sure to fill up those cracks with sand, and we make sure that we're only using the amount of material needed, which is a ½ inch of crack sealer in all the cracks. But take that into consideration. The third one is labor. Well, of course, if that surface preparation is going to be, a lot of work cleaning out those cracks consistently, if you were using wire brushes, let's say, you might want to step your game up to maximize your business and invest into a wire wheel gas-powered crack cleaning machine. Same thing with crack sealing. If you're going around with 1-gallon bottles sealing up those cracks, well, you might need 5 people doing that instead of just 1 person pushing a push melter applicator at walking speed, just like a lawnmower. After all, investing into the right tools and equipment for your business cuts down on labor costs, allows you to apply a material nice and neatly, and it also allows you to prepare those cracks for sealing. We have a handy template down below that will help you calculate your break even. Click the link to get it now.